going vegetarian a couple nights a week is one of the most eco-friendly things that you can do, and it's going to help you save money. The great news is that going green, you can actually save a lot of green as well. So here are my top 3 tips for going green on a budget. Number 1, go vegetarian 2 nights a week. Swap out your meat-focused meal for beans and rice, a plant-based diet. Not only is it going to help you lose weight and boost health, but going vegetarian a couple nights a week is one of the most eco-friendly things that you can do, and it's going to help you save money. The second thing I would say, stop buying bottled beverages and drink tap water, herbal tea, or coffee instead. Liquids are one of the heaviest items to ship. If you've ever lugged a big pallet of water from a big box retailer, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's heavy, and that translates into lots of energy costs to ship it around with fossil fuels. If you buy it out of a chilled container, even more of a carbon footprint. So drink from your tap instead. Get a great reusable, BPA-free water bottle, water container, and drink that way. You're gonna save money because you're not buying liquid calories, and again, it's another way to be green and get lean at the same time. The third thing I would say, green on a budget, stop buying processed snack foods, those little snack packs, and switch to what I call one-ingredient snack foods instead. Nuts, fresh fruit, vegetables, beans, yogurt. If it's a one-ingredient food, you're getting that maximum value of nutrition at the lowest cost. And we see that all that processing and packaging really makes a food less green. So the closer your food is to how it kind of came out of the ground or from Mother Nature, the greener the choice it's going to be. So keep your snacks simple.